Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new to this channel and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also guys, follow the Telegram channel. So in order for you not to miss out on any updates, the link to the Telegram will be in the comment section. Now let's see what we will be anticipating for this week on our odd US dollar. So let's go to our weekly time frame to zoom it out and understand what odd USD is, odd US dollar is actually doing. So now let's start with our trend. We all know before we take a trade, we would want to know our trend for that trade. So market tends to give us three movements. It's either market is trending to the upside, or market is trending to the downside, or market is literally ranging, right? These are the three movements market tends to give us. It's either trending upward or trending downward or literally ranging. So what is market doing here? As you can see, it is very clear that market is trending to the upside. This is very clear that odd US dollar is a bullish move, right? So this is it here. This is our impulsive move. Here comes the pullback phase. Then this is another impulsive move. Here comes the pullback phase. This is also an impulsive move here also. Here comes the pullback phase. This is also our impulsive move on odd US dollar. This is a pullback phase. You can see it. Within this, have it in mind that within this impulsive move, there is a series of higher high and an higher low. A series of higher high and an higher low. Then when you now start seeing this your pullback phase, there is a series of lower low and lower high, and all this is very much visible on your 4-hour time frame. So once you go to your 4-hour time frame, you will clearly see what I'm talking about. Now we've gotten this impulsive move. You can see that this impulsive move and a little bit of a correction, and now another impulsive move. So with what we are expecting is we are expecting market to give us a pullback and then another bullish move. That should not take us to our daily time frame. So we can clearly see that this has now given us this massive high. Our next movement on odd US dollar is a pullback. So are you in the buy right now on your odd US dollar? If yes, the base is the best time to start hopping out of your, they start taking your profits right now, because if this market has gotten to its peak, it has formed a new high, thereby taking out this our previous high. This was the previous high. I mean, if you take a look at it here, this was our higher high and this was the higher low. Then this one is now the higher high and here comes the higher low. So with what market has done now, market has eventually given us a bullish move, thereby forming a new higher high, taking out this previous high. So we are now anticipating for a pullback next. So all US dollar should give us a pullback. So once the pullback plays out, I'll make sure I let you guys to know when the buy will start. So in order for you not to miss out on their updates on when the buy will start, guys, click on that subscribe button, like, share, also click on that bell notification. So now once the pullback plays out, we will now be anticipating for another bullish move, which will be forming a new high. Now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So let's see for 4-hour time frame come down to this our low, which is our support level again, to retest it. So that is what we are expecting on all the US dollar. We should expect it to give us another pullback, just a little bit of a drop, see it fully tap this our support level. Then we can now start looking for the buy setup within this level that we eventually push up to form a new high. So above all, this week we are going bullish on our odd US dollar. If there will be any changes to this movement that we predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. In order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on that subscribe button right now.